Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the easy causes. Check that HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cables are fully seated and not kinked. Once done, swap to a known good cable and a different port to see if the blackout persists. This tells you if the monitor or GPU is at fault. Next, make sure the monitor input selection and refresh rate match the game and GPU settings. Doing these steps first saves time, because many black screens are just simple connection or config mismatches. You should update or clean install your graphics drivers. Use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode, then install the latest tested driver. Meanwhile, inspect GPU power cables and confirm your PSU provides enough wattage for peak loads. Insufficient power causes drops to black. Monitor GPU and CPU temperatures and voltages while gaming. Spikes or thermal throttling often precede black screens. If temperatures are high, improve airflow, reseat heatsinks, or lower settings. These steps root out software and power-related failures. You finish by isolating hardware. Boot using integrated graphics or try the monitor on another PC to confirm which component fails. If the issue began after a Windows update or app change, roll back updates and disable hardware acceleration in apps to see if stability returns. Update monitor firmware if available, and ensure game settings, resolution, and refresh rate match native values. If problems persist after these final checks, prepare photos and logs, then contact vendor support or initiate an RMA for the failing part as your trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.